In the last video, we answered the question about whether our vacuum cleaner can absorb the liquid. So today, I bring the new question from our customer. We all know that a detailing shop is efficient and powerful cleaning tools. So if our vacuum cleaner really up to all the cleaning works, how about the flexion? And our product manager, Arya, can you introduce them?
Sure, no problem.
First, we use the latest power 1200 watt, which is the important core of our strong suction. Next, the speed of 23,000 RPM provides the high speed of rotation of the wheel wing inside the vacuum cleaner. It enhances the powerful ability of our suction, as you can see. Next, let our experienced engineer Freddy to show you a strong, powerful suction.
Find DARYOU, get your good tool.